Students, in this video we will discuss basicity of ammonia and methylamine. Let's see. If we ammonia NH3, ammonia is basic in nature. It can also serve as a nucleophile. Ammonia is basic as well as nucleophile. It is just because of the lone pair of electron which is present on nitrogen atom of ammonia. Due to the presence of this lone pair of electron, ammonia can serve as a base. Students, we know what are Lewis bases. According to Lewis concepts of acid and bases, all those species which have ability to donate lone pair of electrons to acid, or simply we can say protons, they are Lewis bases. Ammonia has ability to donate its lone pair of electron to proton or acid. That's why ammonia is Lewis base, NH4. Since nitrogen has given whole pair of electron for the making of sigma bond, that's why there is a plus charge on this nitrogen. So we can say ammonia is a Lewis base, as well as ammonia can also serve as a nucleophile. Students, we know what are nucleophiles. These are electron rich species, or these are the species which have lone pair of electron on them. यानी ये ऐसी species होती हैं जिन पे या तो कोई negative charge होता है या फिर इनके पास lone pair of electron होता है. ठीक है, तो that's why they can serve as nucleophile. It means they have attraction for nucleus or positive charge. क्योंकि इनके ऊपर लोन पेयर होता है, नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है, या इनके पास लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है. यही वजह है कि ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज के लिए अट्रैक्शन रखती हैं, इसलिए ये एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल के तौर पर एक्ट कर सकती हैं. नाउ इफ वी सी मिथाइलामाइन CH3, मिथाइलामाइन कैन ऑल्सो सर्व्ड एज Lewis base as well as a nucleophile. This is methylamine, students. In methylamines, there is a lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. Likewise, ammonia, methylamine can also donate its lone pair of electron to acid or proton, right? And after that, we get the species CH3, NH3. Nitrogen has given whole pair of electrons, so there is a plus charge on this nitrogen, right, students? So in this way, methylamine is also a nucleophile as well as a base. Students, if we compare the basic character of ammonia and methylamine, then we must know which is more basic, ammonia or methylamine. In methylamine, here we can notice methyl group is directly attached with amino group, right? Now, methyl group, what is the nature of methyl group, students? Methyl group is electron donating group, electron donating, or we can say it is electron releasing. It has electron releasing effect. Electron donating or electron releasing effect. Now, in the case of methylamine, methyl group is electron releasing group. So, what will happen? This methyl group concentrate the electron density of nitrogen. It concentrates the electron density of nitrogen, right, due to its electron releasing effect, and make the lone pair of nitrogen more easily available for sharing with acid. It make the electron pair of this electron pair which is present on nitrogen more easily available for sharing with acid. That's why methylamine, they are more basic as compared to ammonia. In the case of ammonia, here we can notice, students, with nitrogen all the three hydrogen atoms are attached. There is no electron releasing or electron donating group. That's why ammonia, it is less basic as compared to methylamine. I hope this is clear to you, students. Students, in this video we will do the comparison of basicity of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Students, we know alkyl amines, they are more basic as compared to ammonia. Alkyl amines, they are more basic as compared to ammonia. It is due to the presence of alkyl group, electron releasing or electron donating alkyl group in the case of alkyl amines. Actually, alkyl groups concentrate the electron density of nitrogen and make the lone pair of nitrogen more easily available. That's why, due to the presence of alkyl group, alkyl amines are more basic as compared to ammonia. Now students, we can say the basic character of amines, it is due to the presence of electron donating alkyl group. Now if we compare primary and secondary amine, then which is more basic students? Of course, secondary amine is a stronger base. Secondary amine, it is a stronger base as compared to primary amine. What is this secondary amine students? Here we have primary amine RNH2 with nitrogen atom, just one alkyl group is attached. This is primary amine, right students? And here we have the secondary amine, when with nitrogen we have two alkyl groups. Here we have two alkyl groups with nitrogen atom, right students? And here we have hydrogen atom. Now with nitrogen atom, how many alkyl groups are attached here? Here we have two alkyl groups. Two electron releasing or two electron donating groups are attached with nitrogen atom in the case of secondary amines. Now due to the presence of two alkyl groups which are attached to the nitrogen atom, the electron density of nitrogen is more easily available in the case of secondary amine as compared to primary amine. So we can say secondary amines, they are more basic. They are more basic as compared to primary amines. Clear students? Now students, if we see the tertiary amines, in the case of tertiary amines, we have with the nitrogen, all the three groups which are attached are alkyl groups, right students? Although three electron releasing or electron donating alkyl groups are attached with the nitrogen, nitrogen के साथ तीन alkyl group attached हैं, ठीक है? But tertiary amines are less basic as compared to सेकेंडरी एज वेल एज प्राइमरी अमाइन. ये प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी अमाइन इन दोनों के मुकाबले में कम बेसिक है, इनका बेसिक कैरेक्टर दोनों से कम है. उसकी रीज़न क्या है? ड्यू टू द अटैचमेंट ऑफ थ्री बल्की अल्काइल ग्रुप. Due to the attachment of three bulky alkyl group, the approach of electron to the lone pair of nitrogen atom becomes difficult. यानी जो प्रोटॉन है वो आसानी से ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर इस तक अप्रोच नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन के साथ तीन बल्कि अल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच हैं, ठीक है, विच मेक्स दिस tertiary amine less basic. So that's why we must know what is the order of basic character. It means secondary amines, we have secondary amines, right students? Secondary amines, they are this is the order of basic character, more basic. Then we have primary amines, that is this is primary amines, right students, and they are more basic as compared to tertiary amines. This is the order of basic character students. I hope this is clear to you.